So, alright, good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 16th day of July, 2013. This is going to be a recap of the 15th of July, 2013. Okay, a recap of the live trading room yesterday morning. Now, we ended the live trading room yesterday morning. We were plus 7 on soybeans. We were plus 12 on crude oil. Yeah, plus 12 on crude oil, minus 12 on the Russell, and plus 3 on gold. That's how we ended it. Let me bring up my spreadsheet if I can. Yeah, my spreadsheet's not ready. Okay. We have... hang on a second. Recaps. Here it is. Now my spreadsheet's ready. There it is. Alright, so we had plus 7 on soybeans, minus 12 on the Russell, plus 12 on crude, plus 3 on gold. That gives us a total of $2,530 per contract so far in the month of July, in the 10 trading days of July. Alright, after commissions, assuming an $8 per turn commission, which is high. If you guys are paying more than that, let us know, let Bird know. You should not be paying more than $8 per turn. $1,666 net. Alright. If you have not taken a free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply, sign up for the free trial. In the free trial, you get access to our live trading room, which you see here, and you get access to everything we have to offer except the weekly partners meetings and the members area. Alright, you have to be partners to get into those areas. That's it. Wow, the copper really took off over there, huh, Jeanette? Look at that. The copper had the long back here, and we opened up right here. That's why I didn't jump into it, but the copper really moved. Gold right here has a short trade. Gold has a short at 1288. 1288 even. Wow, my mic is really loud. Alright, so let's get into yesterday's trades. Okay, let's start off with what we have in front of us. We have crude oil. Okay, let me just blow it up and see if... Good, all my stuff is still on it from yesterday. Alright, now, in the crude oil, here we go. Our very first trade was a trade off the BBC right here yesterday morning. It was right off the BBC. We had an up close after the bullish cross, pull away, tested the BBC, up close, bullish divergence. We had the up close right there. We got long, took some profit on that. The next trade, well, we missed one here. We missed one here. Let's see, we would have needed a higher swing. We missed one up here. We missed one here. This one over here probably would have stopped you out. All these other ones would have been good, though. Then it started to change directions. We missed a short trade in here. Another one down here. And another one right in there. Alright, those were all missed yesterday morning. And we get into this big box right here. We took a little short trade right here, won a little bit on that one. We took a long trade up here. Alright, on the close up above the trend line. We got, if you're short on the gold, you might want to consider putting your stop to break even. We closed down below the MA1. Let me slide the gold over so you can see it right now. The short trade was over here. Okay. Stop down below the MA1 right now. I mean, stop to break even. Because we moved down below the MA1. The stop's at plus 3 ticks. Stops at plus 10 ticks. And it's probably going to take me out. Yep, it just took me out at plus 10 ticks on gold. Okay. The short was over here on the gold. And profit was right there on the gold. Alright, back to yesterday. We had... we had a long trade right here. We took a break even on. We had another long trade right here that we took a break even on. And I drew these, I highlighted these areas because it was a head and shoulders pattern. I was looking for it to break down below this level right here. And did it ever get down below that level yesterday? Nope. Okay, I was looking for it to break down below that level, but it never really did. Yeah, it got down below it a little bit, twice, but it never made the move down to this level down here, which is what I was looking for. Back to the gold, guys. There it is right there. We're testing the BBC. The high is 1287.8. The low is 1287.4. That's a close right at the trend line. It's not a close below it. I would rather see the close below it in this case on the gold. Okay. Let's see. And that was pretty much it on the crude oil yesterday. Okay. That was it on the crude yesterday. So far this morning, crude's really choppy. Alright. Did we trade the Russell? We traded the Russell. We got beat up by the Russell yesterday. Let's go with the Russell. Okay, because that beat the snot out of us. This is the down close below the trend line right here at 87.5. So you can short 87.5 there on gold if you want to. Okay, you could short that right there on gold if you wanted to. We drew the trend line up to the BBC, and we needed a down close below the trend line. We got this, which was a down close at the trend line. Then we got this, which was an up close. Then we got this, which was actually a down close below the trend line. If you did short this, that didn't work out, obviously. For those of you guys that are in here right now, you guys are pretty much all partners, right? Let me just check and see. Yeah, you're all partners. Here's something I want you to look at. When we got this down close right here, the brown line was not going up. Okay, that's something worth looking at. Okay, worth paying attention to, worth noting. When we got the down close over here that really started to run, that's when the brown line was moving down. Okay, for those of you guys who used to read Frank's notes in the morning, Frank hasn't been doing the notes in the morning lately because of the prayer breakfast, the prayer meeting, the prayer call. I forgot I'm recording this. But he used to put a lot of that stuff in his notes. Okay, I'm going to slide the gold over here. I'll highlight that area that had the short trade right there a minute ago. Okay. Let's see, this is the Russell. I was talking about how we got beat up on the Russell yesterday. After the open, my very first trade was right here. We made 4 ticks profit on that trade. Our next trade was right here. Look at that. Our next trade was right here. We lost that one. Our next trade was over here. Was it there? I don't know where I got into that. Why am I pointing there? Oh, right here. The down close below the trend line. That's right. Down close below the trend line right there. That one stopped me out too. Alright. Ended up missing this trade right here. See that? We ended up missing all the other trades that we had that became possible in here. I think this was one right here. Oh, that was after. Okay, there wasn't a lot of opportunity on the Russell yesterday. It was pretty choppy. So far this morning, the ES weekly trading zone is right below right here, so we can't trade the Russell right now, or I can't trade the Russell right now, or I won't trade the Russell right now. That's what I should say. All right, come to the gold. We didn't have a ton of trades on gold yesterday. Look at these beautiful trades in the afternoon, though. Oh, that was the pre-market today. Man, those were nice ones. I missed it. That was just a little while ago. While I was sleeping. Did any of you guys get those yesterday? I mean, this morning? Okay. Yeah, I know. It was killing me. Alright. The long trade right here. We missed that one. Alright, it got really choppy in here. Oh, that was pre-market. Okay, that doesn't count. I drew in this triangle in here waiting for it to get out of there. I missed a short trade right here. Let's see, the next opportunity was over here. We actually took that one. We got 4 ticks profit on that. Then it got really choppy. I think we got 4 ticks profit. 5 ticks profit. What market is this? Gold. Oh, 3 ticks profit. That's what we got. And that was our only trade yesterday. Gold was really choppy in here yesterday. I didn't realize how choppy it was. Well. Alright. That was gold. made up for it today so far. We got our one trade. Alright, I'm going to slide that off. Now soybeans. We had some soybean trades yesterday. Let's look at the beans from yesterday. Soybeans made a huge move last night. This was all yesterday? Yeah, it was. Alright. Yeah, I guess I had a whole bunch of trades on the beans yesterday. Alright, right here on the open, we took a long trade off the BBC. You know, bullish cross, just to the BBC, up close, all that stuff. Took the long trade in there. See that? Long trade in there. We missed the follow-up trade right here. Okay, we took another long trade over here. No, down here. Took another long trade down here. I mean, right here. Okay. Over here, we took a long trade and we got stopped out. Alright, we got a little profit on that one. We got a little profit on that one. We got stopped out on that one. And I believe that brought us to +1 tick after the stop out. We got a break even on that one, and we took, looks like 6 ticks profit on this one. Alright, this was the down close below the trend line. This was the down close off the BBC. And this was, I don't know what the heck this, oh, this was the up close. And look at down here. This was the up close off the BBC. Alright. That was soybeans yesterday. Alright, guys. I didn't trade anything else yesterday. But I suppose it's worth pointing out that if you've not taken a free trial with us and you want to take a free trial with us, you should go to www.cfrn.net/apply, sign up for the free trial. In the free trial, you get everything we've pointed out right here. All these indicators, all this stuff. You get it all. Long trade right here at 1288, 1288.1, right in that area on the gold. Look at the brown line. See that? Wait for that thing to hook up. Bang. I didn't get filled on the long trade. You get everything. You get everything that you see here, guys. If you sign up for our free trial, free trial is five business days in our live trading room. You get access to Dwayne and myself. You get access to all the indicators. You get access to the charting platform, all that stuff. All right. That's it. With that, guys, I am going to wrap up the recap. I think, how long has this recap been going? Probably 10, 15 minutes. 10 minutes. We're going to wrap up the recap, and we will hope to see you guys in a free trial. If you've already taken the free trial and you want to become a partner, go to just send us an email at support@cfrn.net. support@cfrn.net if you've already taken the trial and you want to become a partner. All right. With that, I'm going to wrap up the recording and catch you